A brand new state law was put to the test today with former Hartford police officer Jill Kidik asking for more protection. Back in 2018, a woman named Siobhan Augustin stabbed Kidik in the neck and hit her trachea while she was responding to a routine call. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney joins us live with what led to today's court hearing. Melissa.
That's right. Augustin was found not guilty by reason of mental disease. Since that, Kidik lost the ability to have that criminal protection against her. Today's court hearing comes from a new law that allows the court to make that decision to see if Kidik and people in her shoes could get that protection order back again.
You know, the whole point of today is to get back what everybody thought I already had.
Jill Kidik determined to get back a criminal protection order against Siobhan Augustin, who is currently in Whiting Forensic Hospital. Augustin was found not guilty by reason of mental disease of stabbing Kidik in the trachea in 2018. That 2021 ruling removed the criminal protection order that initially was in place.
It's not right that I have to sit here and beg for something I should just get.
She and her team argue there should be more protections for victims, regardless of the acquittee's mental state.
There have been no allegations of threats or attempted contact of any kind.
Augustin's defense argues if she was allowed into the community, it would require approval and no contact with Kidik.
All of those patients with regular community access are subject to strict conditions of release.
This past legislative session, Kidik advocated for a new law, equalizing the standard for protection orders for those convicted and for those who are found not guilty by mental defect. It had bipartisan support and passed unanimously. Lawmakers who sponsored this bill say this could be applied to many different cases, like domestic violence situations.
And we have to stop these kind of violent acts, whether someone is doing it out of, true nefarious means or simply because they are too ill to know what they're doing.
Both the prosecution and defense in court today argued on whether the law should be applied for cases that have already passed. Just like a criminal protection order for someone who was found guilty, it's now up to the court to decide. And the next court meeting for this request is on December 9th. We're live in Hartford. Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.
Melissa, thanks.